There are three things we want to focus on today to help you get the most out of day one of WWDC. And there are 1. Swift announcements, 2. SWIFTUI announcements, and 3. Others. Guess what's my favorite? WWDC 2020 Day 1 Recap. Let's get started. WWDC has just launched and we have all taken a look at the keynote. But most importantly, I have just finished watching the platform State of the Union. And I do have my notes right over here. So let's get right into this. And we will cover this in 3 kind of topics: Swift, SWIFTUI, and more. And as you can see, I do need to have my notes here because we have a lot to cover. Now we are going to cover this and much more inside Beyond Code, the community that I have just launched. Go ahead and check it out. It's at community, rebeloper.com/community. And once you join, you will be able to see this dashboard where we have our introduction, announcement, generals. We also have weekly Zoom sessions with me on a group coach calling, and our next one is how to create a Swift SDK for your API. And also we are going to talk next week about WWDC because one of our members, Carlos, has just gone. He has been drawn on the lottery and he is actually attending WWDC as a student right over here. You can see that we have some posts right over here, but I don't want to reveal much of it because all you have to do is just go to community at rebeloper.com/community and join. Now this offer will be available only this week, the week of WWDC. So you want to make sure that you go ahead and check it out, rebeloper.com/community. So let's get into our list right over here. So as I told you, Swift, SWIFTUI, and some more. So let's talk about what has been announced in Swift. Well, async algorithms. That's really great because we did have async await, now we have async algorithm. There's also distributed actors, much more than actors. And finally, we have regex builders. Finally, we can build out regexes with these builders easily because otherwise it is really hard to come by. Package plugins, and furthermore, Swift is now much faster, even up to 2 times faster than previously. And now comes my favorite part, SwiftUI. Let's see what we got from SwiftUI. And I do have a previous video right over here. You will see it at the end of this video that has a detailed wish list of I wish to have in SwiftUI coming out in this WWDC. And yeah, you can take a look at it after you watch this video. But here is the news. We have the brand new navigation API with navigation stacks. Finally, my dream has come true. I do have that on my list. So we are going to get that. Grid API, some really interesting layout configuration for our SwiftUI apps, much welcomed after horizontal stacks, vertical stacks, and of course these stacks. Now, custom layout API, where we can create even further, more customized layout for our views. And we have half sheets, share sheets, which are already, we can just use that with UI hosting view controllers. But this was a much needed thing in SwiftUI. Now they are both supported natively in SwiftUI. And one important new update is Swift charts. Now with Swift charts, they are natively supported in SwiftUI and they are beautiful. Make sure that you go to the community because I will be talking a lot about SwiftUI charts. So what's up next? Yes, preview variants. Preview variants are really nice haves to the current preview providers because this canvas there, it was really nice, but it was really cumbersome to set these previews up. Now we have these nice, good-looking previews. Previews are getting there. They are kind of cumbersome to use, cumbersome to set up, but now they are much easier to use. And finally, they talked about menu bar extras. It's a really easy way to add a menu bar kind of icon for your macOS apps. Now that was about SwiftUI. Hopefully when we get into the details, we will find out even more, and maybe I will get some more ticked out from my wish list. But I'm really excited about navigation and the navigation API. Now on other news, let's talk about what else has been added. Widget Kit, App Intents, Passkey, my most favorite non-SwiftUI addition that we got this year. Map Kit, the second most loved in my opinion. And there's Weather Kit, Live Text API, and the Data Scanner API. You know, this has been added last year, and now we have access to it. Again, Live Text API and Data Scanner API. Now, this is the gist of our WWDC Day 1. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, because I'm going to cover this on a daily basis. And if you do want to know about my wish list, go ahead and check it out. It's right over here.